Sanibonani kuseni. Lalela umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 nobompele ungene nezo mphefumulo asithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu ninjani kodwa kuseni. Oh my God, kumhla 26 kaMarch 2026. Isikhathi is 7:15. How are you this morning? Ninjani America, Asia, Europe, Africa. Ngiyazi uNkulunkulu nani unisibekele usiphile futhi lolu suku nje ukuthi ke siveze ubukhulu bakhe ngeimpilo zethu. Usidalele lokho nje ukuthi singamlibali singamkhohlwa ukuthi unathi. Ikona nje sifanele sikubheke sihlale simbuka njalo uNkulunkulu ngamehlo enhliziyo ukuze sibe right empilweni. Ama wilderness esidlula kuwo noma amahlane esidlula kuwo abangcono uma uwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nawe. Even though asuke ezotesta kona ukuthi uyakholwa yini noma futhi uyazi yini ukuthi unawe. Sibuka lapho uJesu ukuthi wathi maye eqeda nje ukwambulelwa izulu limtshela ukuthi uyindodana uNkulunkulu athokozile ngayo. Emva kwalokho waselidwa kwi-wilderness kuzoprove kona lokho ukuthi ngabe ngempela uyindodana kaNkulunkulu. Uma uyindodana, so that means you can do anything. Ngithi leya test kaJesu noma temptation yayimnika i-clue shuthi the things ezisikhumbuzayo uyihlane lethu liyasikhumbuza izinto uNkulunkulu ayikhulume kithi. For example, uyabuka la ukuthi uJesu wayilambile and so this spirit okusathane ngalesa sikhathi uthi uma uyindodana kaNkulunkulu guqula lamatshe wenze isinkwa. He was suggesting but emvezela iclue ukuthi yazi ukuba indodana ukuthi you can do whatever, but ke what into ayi-trick ukuthi ke fanele akwazi ukuthi ngikwenze outside of what the Father has told me. So in other words, uJesu wayazi ukuthi even though ngakwenza lokhu but ngizokwenza uma kusho my Father. So kodwa kwakuphinde futhi kuveza ukuthi kanti ngingakwazi if we son of God, that means you can do anything. That was a clue. But asikho lapho balaleli bengithi nje angiveze nje lapho ukuthi uNkulunkulu fanele sim-acknowledge empilweni zethu. Kunendaba nje efuna sikhulume ngayo kafishane singeke sibe bade about izithixo okuyizona zinto that ngampela ezisibulalayo as isizwe noma abantu ziyasilimaza impela. Nisho kuthiwa ngabe sikholwa kangakanani kodwa sinjalo siwela ezithixweni. So I was looking at Gideon. Remember ukuthi ke wawina and abantu then they decided ukuthi bacela ukuthi ababuse, and then wanqaba uGideon because wayazi ukuthi abanqobanga ngenxa yakhe, abanqobanga ngenxa yamandla akhe. So uNkulunkulu was initiating everything, he was doing everything. Wena uNkulunkulu wafika kuGideon wathi isizwe sami Midian ngisinikele ezandleni zenu. So just go there, and witness that. So it happened, and then bawina ke. So now uma sebemcela ukuthi abe inkosi, wathi no, uNkulunkulu ozoba inkosi yeni, which is true. Sikhulumile ngalokho ukuthi akekho umuntu ongabusa omunye umuntu, akudalwanga nje kanjalo, akuvumi kona ongavumi, but umuntu kafune ukuthi abuswe, but into engenzeki ngoba kuhambe kubuye kushintshe lokho. So it's very important to understand that. So I want us now ukuthi sibuke la ukuthi ke wathi ke esenqabile ukuba inkosi, wayesethi kodwa into engizoyicela kunina, ngicela nginike amacici lawa egolide, bawaqoqa ke, and then wasewenza i-pot, shuthi isimbatho nje, I think esifakwa le mahlombe egolide, kusifakwa amacici, and then wasekubekeka endlini yakubo. Kuthiwa ke leyo nto yaphenduka isithixo, yaba isikhubekiso kuye uGidoni nomndeni wakhe. So abantu baqala bakhonza yona lamacici lawo because uyabona ukuthi kulula kanjani ukuthi umove from ukukholwa uNkulunkulu ukholwe izinto azenzile. Ingakho nje balalela ekuseni sifuna ukuqwashisa ngakho ukuthi singesikhathini sokubusa uNkulunkulu sesi-announcile, siyasizwa futhi siyeza ukuthi we are in the land now of victory, but usethi ke niqapheleke ukuthi lokunqoba akwenziwanga yini, niningakudumisi nezinto zakho. Because there are things that we're going to achieve, the things that ozoyithola, but lezo zinto zingaba isithixo kuwe. Because one, it's very important to understand ukuthi oh my God, ukuthi let me just explain ukuthi isithixo into that is not living, into engakwazi ukuyidala yona. Okay, so if into ingakwazi ukuyidala yona, and then you bese wena you create power for it ukuthi ibe uNkulunkulu wakho, uthi wena this thing uNkulunkulu wami, isithixo leyo nto. And insult kumdali, not ngoba im-affecta, but i-affecta wena. Ngike kade sikhuluma nje ngokuthi look, it's really they bagadarisha amacici egolide, and they kwakuyisamba semali uma uqhathanisa naleli golide leli golide lalibiza. So kwakulula ukuthi babone bakwenze kubo uNkulunkulu lokho, and khumbula isithixo ukuthi wena osenzayo, wena okwenzayo lento ibo uNkulunkulu. And remember ukuthi lento ayiphenduli, konke kwenziwa wena, uyakukhulumela, uyakuphendulela. But at the same time it's taking life out of you. Kuyakulimaza wena, kumlimaza uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu ungaphekwa konke. Ayikho into that can affect God engenziwa umuntu, but it affects umuntu angaphili fully as uNkulunkulu emdesignile, because once wabeka into phambi kwakho wathi yona uNkulunkulu, iba isithiyo, iphazamisa your life between you and the creator. So endapha ke usubulawa yiyo. Sibuka nje one of the things esikhuluma ngazo ukuthi this thing called imali, ukuthi siyayazi ukuthi i-idea yomuntu othize owa-initiator, and ukuthi kwenziwa ama-transitions ngayo, ama-transactions, ukuthi makunika lokhu kuba imalini. So all those things zenziwa umuntu wayinika i-value. Ngobuhlakani kodwa ke ngeke ngisho ukuthi phela ke uqhamuka kumuntu, but it came from God ukuthi umuntu aqhamuke ne-idea kanje. And then ithe masikhona i-idea, and then sasesithatha ipower kaNkulunkulu sayibeka kuyona lento ukuthi iyona lento ezosolvela izinkinga zethu and kwaba isithixo sethu njengabantu. Even uma ubheka nje kuye kuthiwa umuntu onemali uNkulunkulu wabanye abantu, usho noma yini ayifunayo, but which is a lie. Lento ithina sinika ivalue but ayiyona uNkulunkulu. Iyasisiza ukuthi simove izinto from one point to another, kodwa uma sesizokubeka kwizinga laNkulunkulu, sesikwenza isithixo sethu. And ukubheke izithixo ziyabulalisana. Maku izinto eziproduce ukufa, okwazi ukuthi kusuke kunesithixo phakathi. Khona abantu abakhonza leyo nto. uNkulunkulu ngeke uthi ukhonza a living God but bese ubulala abanye abantu. It won't happen unless kunesithixo phakathi. Unless lo uNkulunkulu useyisithixo, akuseyena lo who's living. So bekuyilokho nje balaleli engifuna sikubheke ekseni. Siqaphele imikomelo yethu noma ukuwina kwethu, ama-victories esiwathola empilweni angaba izithixo zethu. Sihlale njalo sibonga uNkulunkulu ngakho konke akwenzile, and simbeke uNkulunkulu ukuthi nguye okwenzile. Ungathi hayi because ukuhlakanipha kwami, ukwazi kwami, njengoba ngenze nje kanje, it's because of my intelligence, or it's because of my strategies. Don't make your strategies ama-idols. Don't make your strategies ama-idols. Whatever uNkulunkulu akupha kona ungakwenzi isithixo, akakuthandi. It's something that engavumelani ne-nature yethu, and it affects us, so sizoqhubeka nje nale ndaba nje, sodila nayo nje kulesikhathi samanje, because sihamba kwi-journey very sensitive, a journey yokubusa. So ila konakala khona izinto abantu basebenzise khona ilungelo lokubusa, and bese kubelideka too ukukhonza izithixo. Siyabonga kakhulu balaleli. Thank you so much. Lalela umsakazo Music Happens FM channel 33 noBompele umkenenezo mphefumulo. La sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. Sithi abantu ababe yilokho uNkulunkulu ababeke abanike khona bakuveze emhlabeni, ngokuthi bakwenze, babe yikho as uJoshua waba yizwi uNkulunkulu alikhulume kuye, wakwazi ukuthi akhulume ne-nature, i-nature imlalele. So siyabonga kakhulu nje, sophinde sihlangane futhi ngesikhathi esilandelayo. God bless you.